friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll be talking about one of the best application which you need to try in the Poco X3 device. So which is the energy ring which is present in the Play Store. So right now you can see I'm using the Poco X3 smartphone. So very soon I'll be coming up with the top 5 applications you must have in the Poco X3 smartphone. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me regularly. So right now in this video, let's focus only on this energy ring which is present here, as you can see here. So it doesn't matter which application you open, the energy ring around this punch hole camera will always be on, turn on, as you can see here. So it's every time on, doesn't matter which application you open. So that's a good advantage and good attractive as well in terms of using this kind of punch hole mobile phones. So whenever I have the punch hole and notch phones, I'll try to use the wallpapers which actually sync to that. And recently even I tried to use this kind of energy ring applications as well. So right now the application which I'm talking about is a ring battery indicator, as you can see here. So this is available in the Play Store and you can download directly. So as you can see, this is a name of the application. Just type in the Play Store. So once you download this application, it's pretty straightforward. You need to give the permissions to the display overlay. So let me try to show you from the beginning of the setup, so it's easy for you as well. So as you can see here, so this will be asking for the permission to the display over other apps. So you need to give permission to that one, and next battery optimization, hello, and next, that's it. So now you need to turn on this energy ring, as you can see here. So now you need to adjust the position as well, so depending on the notch of the mobile phone. So some phones they do have the side and some phones they do have the front in the middle. So in this way you can adjust even the radius of the notch how much you want as well. As you can see, friends, so this kind of close exactly in the notch area, punch hole, as you can see here. So now you can increase the thickness as well. As you can see, you can increase the thickness of the bar, and next is even you can change the colors. So this colors is that this is a kind of very good usage here. So for example, battery percentage between the 76 to 100%, you can see here it should be displaying the yellow green color. So next, with the 51 to 75%, it will be displaying the blue color. So the below 0 to 25%, it will display the red color. So that is another good indication that how much is the battery as well. So I know even we get the battery percentage over there, but still if you want to use, you can use this feature here. So even if you connect the charger, it will actually the ring will be rotating. So let me try to connect the charger right now. So let me try to grab the charging cable. So here is a charging cable, friends, and let me try to connect. As you can see here, the animation of the ring, how it's going. So it's better to decrease the thickness. The thickness is more, so it's not that good. So you can keep it medium or moderate. As you can see, outer circle and inner circle, there are two different the areas where you want to have. So this is a good application, friends. Just give it a go, this application, without any complications, just straightforward. So few of the other applications, they need to have the permissions of accessibilities. So that's a not good advantage, giving the permission to there. So this is only the display over other apps. That is a one permission you need to give for this application. So that's why I prefer to use this application rather than any other high rated other applications. So thank you for watching this video, friends. For more interesting videos similarly like this, make sure to follow me regularly for more updates. Even for more interesting tips and tricks on the Poco X3, stay tuned for that as well. And see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.